Okay, about 5 minutes ago, I was in the room to the window to the right. I looked out and saw a huge amount of insects flying around, and I thought maybe it was like a mayflies hatched out or something. So I walked out to this pine tree, and the entire pine tree was one big mess of bees. I mean, it covered the entire tree. The entire tree was just bees everywhere. And as I watched, the noise is incredible. As I watched though, they all kind of started heading down to the lower left-hand side of this tree. And look what we have. I need to get closer so you can hear the incredible noise. That's an amazing swarm of bees. So Stella's on her way over. We're gonna get to have some bee fun today, I think. And what about the luck of it being in this lower branch? That'd be Tilly down there, completely oblivious to the bees.